This, my friends, is the all-new, gorgeously beautiful Thruxton 400, and that is the MY25 Speed 400. Let's quickly compare both the motorcycles and see what's different on this Thruxton 400. Speed is a modern retro roadster, and Thruxton belongs to the cafe racer category of motorcycles, so you will see a lot of changes in the design language. On the Thruxton, you will see this beautiful looking semi-fairing and this round headlamp with this windshield. However, on the Speed, there is plain and simple round headlamp, no windshield, no visor, nothing at all. Triumph has also redesigned the fuel tank of Thruxton और नई डिज़ाइन इसके कैफ रेसर कैरेक्टर को काफ़ी बढ़िया तरीके से सूट भी करती है। इसी के साथ आपको यहाँ पर एक नया फ्यूल कैप भी देखने को मिलता है, which Triumph calls Monza type fuel cap. However, both the motorcycles have same 13-liter fuel carrying capacity. These side fenders are also designed differently. यहाँ पर आपको बढ़िया सी Thruxton 400 की ब्रांडिंग मिलती है, एक नया तरीके का काउल यहाँ पर मिलता है और ये वाला जो सेक्शन है this is also different if you compare it with the Speed 400. The tail section of both these motorcycles are also designed differently. These mudguards are different, these grab handles are also different, and when you see the tail lamp, तो Thruxton पर आपको एक बिल्कुल नई टेल लैम्प यहाँ पर देखने को मिलने वाली है। साथ के साथ यहाँ पर आपको एक काउल भी देखने को मिलता है जो रियर सीट के ऊपर लग जाता है। एलन कीज की मदद से आप इसको रिमूव भी कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज द मोटरसाइकिल लुक्स एब्सोल्युटली स्टनिंग विद दिस सीट काउल. On the Speed, you will see this traditional type handlebars, whereas on the Thruxton, you will see this clip-on handlebars which are really forward set. Also on Thruxton, Triumph has provided this plastic brake fit reservoir, which is not the case with Speed 400. You get these adjustable clutch and brake levers on the Speed 400. You can see the mechanism here to adjust them, but you don't get them on the Thruxton 400. Here you will see the simple normal clutch and brake levers. The foot pegs on Thruxton 400 are very much rear set when compared to the Speed 400. The riding position here is also very much committed, so you sit very much leaning forward on this motorcycle. और लगभग सारे ही कैफे रेसेस में आपको यही राइडिंग पोजीशन देखने को मिलता है. अगर बात करें स्पीड 400 की, तो यार यहाँ पर आपको एक काफ़ी न्यूट्रल सा राइडिंग पोजीशन देखने को मिलता है. फुट पैक्स काफ़ी फॉरवर्ड सेट है, जो हैंडल बार है वो भी काफ़ी टॉल है, काफ़ी आपकी तरफ रहता है. सो यू सिट वेरी कंफर्टेबली ऑन द स्पीड 400. If we talk about the seat height on Speed 400, we get a seat height of 803 mm. मेरी हाइट 5'11" के आसपास है और आप देख रहे हो कि मैं थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर टिपटो कर रहा हूँ. If we talk about the Thruxton 400, here you get a seat height of 795 mm. और जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं कि मेरे पैर यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छे से ज़मीन तक पहुँच पा रहे हैं, लगभग पूरी तरीके से फ्लैट फुट मैं यहाँ पर कर पा रहा हूँ. तो अगर आप if you compare both the motorcycles, you will see a better seat height accessibility on Thruxton 400. Thruxton 400 is around 4 kilos heavier than the Speed 400 and weighs around 183 kilograms. But because the seat height is so accessible, you don't feel the weight too much. On both the motorcycles, you get 43 mm die UHD forks. On the Speed, these are in golden color, and on Thruxton, these are in black color. There is one more difference. On the Speed, you get 140 mm of wheel travel, whereas on Thruxton, you get 135 mm of wheel travel in the front. Hardware-wise, rear suspension on both the motorcycles remains the same, but on Thruxton, you get little more wheel travel. On this one, you get 130 mm of wheel travel, whereas on Speed, you get 120 mm of wheel travel. Thruxton has a slightly lesser rake angle than that of Speed, so it would be more agile to ride and easier to steer as well. Also, the wheelbase of Thruxton 400 is 10 mm shorter than that of Speed 400. On the Thruxton, you get MRF steel race tires, whereas on Speed, you get Redstein Centauro tires. There is a difference in tire profiles as well, because on Thruxton, you will see that the walls of the tires is little shorter both in the front and the rear, which means the tires on Thruxton are even more road biased. On the Thruxton, you get 110 by 70 front and 150 by 60 rear tire, whereas on Speed, you get 110 by 80 front and 150 by 70 rear tire. Now both the motorcycles are powered by the same 398cc liquid cooled engine, but the Thruxton produces 42 PS of peak power at 9000 RPM, whereas the Speed produces 40 PS of peak power at 8000 RPM, which means this one produces 2 PS more power and deadlines 1000 RPM later than the Speed 400. Both the motorcycles produce same 37.5 Nm of peak torque, but this one makes it at 7500 RPM and Speed makes it at 6500 RPM, which means at low speeds, Speed 400 would feel better than the Thruxton 400. Now both the motorcycles have exactly the same exhaust pipe, and this is how these two motorcycles sound like. Now let's go to the speed. Traction is offered in 4 colors, out of which 2 are available here with us right now. You can see both the colors here, and the ex-showroom price of Traction 400 is around 2,75,000 rupees, which is around 25,000 rupees more than the Speed 400. Which one amongst the two would you prefer buying? Let us know in the comments, and for more such content, like, share, subscribe and follow Nomadica's Auto Reviews. Thanks for watching.